Assalamualaikum and a very good day. We are from Group 9 and today we will be presenting our case study entitled The Walt Disney Company. Before I begin the presentation, I would like to introduce myself and my team members. My name is Nur Fazira binti Nordin and my group members are Manisa binti Janullah, Nur Eliana binti Unding, Azrul Hakimi bin Adam, and Sean Lionel anak Daniel. Now, let us move on to our first slide, which is about the background of the Walt Disney Company. The Walt Disney Company was founded in 1923 by brothers Walt Disney and Roy O. Disney. The company's headquarters is in Burbank, California, USA. Today, Disney has grown into a global leader in the entertainment industry, especially through animation, television, theme parks, media networks, and consumer products. Currently, Disney operates in more than 50 countries and has over 200,000 employees worldwide. Along its journey, Disney has achieved several important milestones. For example, the opening of Disneyland in 1955, which was the first ever Disney theme park. Later, the company expanded through major acquisitions such as Pixar in 2006, Marvel in 2009, Lucasfilm in 2012, and 21st Century Fox in 2019. In the same year, Disney also launched its own streaming platform called Disney Plus, which has now become one of the most popular streaming services globally. This milestone shows how Disney has continuously grown and adapted to remain a leader in the entertainment world. That's all for the company background. Now I will pass this presentation to the next presenter. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum and good day to Madam Murniza. My name is Nur Eliana binti Unding. Today, I will be presenting the problems and challenges as well as the opportunities faced by digital streaming platforms, specifically Disney Plus. First of all, I would like to discuss some of the main problems and challenges faced by Disney in the digital streaming industry. One of the main challenges is the decline in traditional television viewership. Nowadays, many viewers prefer watching entertainment through digital platforms like Netflix and YouTube. The shift has caused traditional television channels to lose a significant number of viewers. In addition, the competition in the streaming industry is becoming more intense. Disney Plus faces many popular platforms such as Netflix and Amazon Prime, which have been in the market for a long time and have a loyal customer. Furthermore, the high production cost of quality content are a big challenge. Disney needs to invest a very large budget to produce interesting movies and series. If the content fails to attract attention, Disney revenue is a risk of declining. Next, I will discuss some opportunities that Disney Plus can utilize to improve their competitiveness and services. The demand for digital streaming is increasing as more people want entertainment that is accessible system. This opens up a great opportunity for the growth of the streaming market. Moreover, Disney can expand its Disney Plus service into new and fast-growing markets like Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America. Lastly, the use of the new technologies such as augmented reality AR, virtual reality VR, and the metaverse can create a more interactive and engaging entertainment experience for users. That concludes my presentation on the problems and opportunities in the digital streaming industry. Thank you. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
Now, let's look at the short-term impacts of Disney's strategy. First, in terms of operations, Disney have made very high investments in its streaming platforms like Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus. While these help them grow, it also increases their operational costs in the short run. Next, for the customers' experience, this platform have expanded digital access to Disney's content. At the same time, original releases such as The Mandalorian and Marvel series have enhanced customer engagement and attracted new audience. Finally, in terms of competitiveness, Disney's rapid subscriber growth has strengthened its position against major competitors like Netflix and Amazon. Next, let's move on to the long-term impacts of Disney's strategy. For operations, Disney has successfully diversified its revenue sources beyond just theme parks and box office sales. With stable digital income from streaming platforms, the company secures a more sustainable business model. In terms of customer experience, Disney strengthened brand loyalty by creating a seamless ecosystem through cross-platform integrations like theme parks, films, streaming, and even merchandise. Customers are more connected and engaged with the brand. And finally, on competitiveness, Disney maintains its global dominance through iconic franchises such as Marvel, Pixar, and Star Wars. Along with international expansion, these franchises keep Disney at the top of the global entertainment industry. So, in the long run, Disney ensures stability, loyalty, and global leadership in the market. For supporting data, to support these impacts, let's look at some key data. Disney Plus reached over 73 million subscribers within just 1 year in 2020. By 2023, Disney's combined streaming services had already surpassed 220 million subscribers, proving how fast the company has grown in the digital entertainment. Even during the pandemic, Disney's direct-to-consumer revenue grew by 73% in 2020. Despite park closures, this shows the strength of its streaming strategy. On top of that, Disney's market capitalization has remained above $150 billion, which reflects strong investor confidence in the company's long-term success.
Alright, now we move to the SWOT. Starting with the strength, Disney is one of the most valuable and recognized brands in the world. Its intellectual properties, such as Marvel, Pixar, Star Wars, and National Geographic, which attract millions of fans globally. The company is also very diversified, with businesses in theme parks, movies, merchandise, and its own streaming service, Disney. This diversification helps Disney remain strong in the global entertainment industry. Moving on to the weaknesses, Disney has very high operating and production costs. It also depends heavily on blockbusters, movies, and series, which, if they fail, profits can decline. Another weakness is that Disney, while popular, is still not as profitable as expected, showing that streaming is a challenge even for a strong brand. Next are the opportunities. There is huge demand for digital entertainment worldwide, and Disney can use this to grow its streaming services and digital platforms. The company also has opportunities to expand into emerging markets like Asia and Latin America, where middle class tourism and online consumption are growing. New technologies such as AR, VR, and the metaverse could also give Disney a new way to create immersive storytelling experiences. Now, the threats. Disney faces intense competition from companies like Netflix, Amazon, Amazon Prime, and Warner Bros. Another threat is global economic downturns, which can affect how much people spend on travel and entertainment. Rapidly changing consumer preferences, especially among younger generations, also create challenges, and external issues like controversies of political regulations may impact Disney's reputation. Finally, the strategies. Disney could strengthen Disney by offering bundles, ad supported models, and regional partnerships. It should also diversify more into gaming and esports, where younger audiences spend time. At the same time, investing in sustainability, like green theme parks and eco friendly products, can build a positive global image. Creating more localized content for non Western audiences is another strategy to stay competitive. In conclusion, the SWOT analysis shows that Disney is a powerful and diversified brand with strong opportunities for digital growth, but it must continue to adapt to high cost, strong competition, and rapidly changing audience demand.
For this part, it is on industry lessons. So, in this upcoming coming fast future, there are lot need to tackle on this fast pace on it. One of it is without vigilance or humility, there is no romanticism. This means if we cannot, if we just stay patient on humanity, so we cannot gain what we want. So the second is disruption spares no one. Okay, this is how smart are you, how clever are you if you not taking care or get surrounded, have a good surround, so you will lost on the digital. This is matter game if very overconfident, so you will not playing the shift in the economic, like you may disrupt yourself if you think you can confidence on anything but not want to compete again in time, because competition in nowadays is very constant change. So next is like always stay ahead, so always watch out on competitors, don't lose on them, keep on touch on them, so keep on train technologies, not just our company. So do not ever estimate that competitors is they just playing good, but they can fight us anytime, especially when technologies in AI, artificial intelligence. And another is when constant learning and evolution, we must know how to have the human resource that can adapt to a business model, anything, but they can strategies. So anywhere at any time, we must share any progress at any time. And there is always upgrade ourselves. We reinvent ourselves, renew ourselves. This is part of future thinking. We must future proof our organization, our capabilities. This is one of a good culture that is uh, can catch up anything. So next is always examine every weeks if good, what the risks, what the rewards of the strategies of or the model of our business, and we must challenge any assumptions. So don't put faith, but we must work on it, something like that. And finally, we must always keep agile on the market. We must know what the market demands, what the needs, so you can catch up that things. And this is we call as enterprise agility that can help the journey go through in the any markets. Another is AI enhancements. When AI and machine, they can do revenue on management and the business analytics. So this is part of reducing costs on hiring any of the workers. So this is according to Hotel Technology News. Many major hotels brands now using AI revenue management of the software on reporting the revenue in any other sectors, such as in bookings. So AI also is a machine to help business making decision is even smarter. This is to reduce human mistakes. So this is can managing risk effectively without any human error. So this is one hour that I have highlighted in the lessons. Is more than 3, so that's all for this part. And plus and on, before I leave, we are also playing the part, which is this can help experience the any tourist to go to the park to experience it first by AR to create their exciting, to create the behavior to go travel. So this is one of it in the, we call it industry lessons. This is our presentation. We want to thank you very much, and that's all from our group. See in future. Thank you.